Did you know that most people talk faster than they can type? For example, I tend to speak around 130 words per minute, but last time I checked my typing speed, it was 90 words per minute. In this video, I wanted to introduce you to Willow Voice, which is an AI-powered voice dictation tool that's super accurate and easy to use. You can use it anywhere on your computer or phone, whether you're on your browser answering emails, or my favorite use case, I can speak to my Notion AI. If you find this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. To get set up, we're going to go to willowvoice.com, and you'll easily find the download button here. If you're on iPhone, then you can go to the App Store and look for Willow Voice. They're currently actively working on a Windows and Android version, so that should be coming out very soon as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click download for Mac. It's free. Add your email, download. And you can follow the steps here. Once you've created an account and you have the app, then I'm just going to quickly walk you through what it looks like here. You have your home. You'll start seeing your transcripts once you start using Willow. And right now you can see hold FN to dictate anywhere. So basically, if I hold FN, I can start talking and it's going to be able to type into anywhere. If I go to dictionary here, you'll see that I can add replacements and make sure that there are terms that Willow knows. So one thing that I've noticed myself is I was using this for email. It kept misspelling my name, which is Sarah without an H. So what I did was I'm going to click this and I'll put a replacement like this just to make sure that it always spells my name correctly. The other thing there is the style matching. If you have this on, what it does is it basically styles your messages for you. So this is what other traditional dictation tools lack. You can choose whether you want casual messages, formal, or extremely casual. I tend to stick to casual here, and it's going to notice based on what you're using. So if you're on WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and just messaging in general, it's going to notice that and type out messages in this style. If you're on work messages, you can keep it formal, excited, or casual. This is for things like Teams and for Slack, and then you'll see emails as well. And for emails, it's cool because it actually formats it into an email text style. So I'm going to stick to excited, which is my usual email style anyway. And if we go now to settings, you can also see a variety of different settings that you can set up. You can mute all notifications, launch at login, choose hotkeys. So if I change this, I can even change the key that Willow starts on. So if it's not FN, which is what it's going to look like this, then you can choose a different key if it works better for you. You can even do hands-free mode as well. So now I just wanted to quickly show you how this works in practice. It's very simple. Say that I want to write an email, then I can just hold FN and I'm just going to start speaking an email. Hi John, thank you so much for the meeting yesterday. I really enjoyed chatting with you about your needs for Notion services. I'll try to get you the project proposal by tomorrow. Feel free to let me know if there's anything else I can help with in the meantime. Best, Sarah. And then if I just let go, you can see that it's perfectly formatted, and it even has that exclamation point, which I would normally add. So it's pretty much ready to send, and it just formats everything. So I don't need to really do any editing here. And because I added the replacement word, it knows that my name should be spelled this way. I find this really quick. For example, if now I'm on my Notion AI, another cool thing is that you can just chat with Notion AI as well. So I could just say here, what are some of my upcoming tasks that I need to finish this week? And then I can let go, and you can see I can just click enter and then basically just chat with my Notion AI without having to type my prompts out. And now if I was in Notion's app and I wanted to write down my grocery list, Willow also formats it for me when I have lists. So for example, I could click FN. Here's my grocery list for the week. 1 chicken, 2 lettuce, 3 eggs, 4 milk. So as you can see, it's formatted my dictation into an actual list like this, which is also really useful. So another thing that I really like is the feeling of also seeing my dictated words here, how many minutes that I've saved, and also my dictated words per minute. This is also a cool feature that you can really see the effect that Willow has on your day-to-day time saving. I do find that it's most useful when you're just trying to jot down really fast things that would be really tedious manually. So those are short emails, short chat messages even. That's what I mainly use Willow for. So now we're on my phone, you can log in just the same as on desktop. It's going to remember your preferences from the desktop app as well, which is really useful. The way that Willow works on the phone is a little bit different. You have to make sure that it's turned on right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on. And then we can get started by trying it out as before on email. So now I just have to click here to start speaking. Hi John, thanks so much for the meeting yesterday. I'll try to get you the project proposal by the end of the day today. If you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to let me know. Best, Sarah. And as you can see, it's formatted perfectly here. It's just so easy to use. Another example, let's say that I'm on my Apple Notes app. I can just speak that as well. Let's say that I'm trying to gather my grocery list for the week. Then I can easily just speak that out here on my Apple Note. Here's my grocery list for the week. Eggs, milk, cheese, avocados, and as you can see, it's formatted for me here already. I think Willow is great for formatting your text without having to do manual edits afterwards. So just to compare, if I go to my dictation on my iPhone without using Willow, here's my grocery list for the week: eggs, milk, cheese, avocados. So as you can see, there's no actual punctuations and it's just in one text list like this compared to how it could be with Willow. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in Willow Voice, who's the sponsor of today's video, be sure to check the link in the description. It's free to get started. I've been blown away by this app in the way that it feels. I can literally use it anywhere and I like how it edits and formats my text for me. It's also privacy focused, which I think is super important for a voice dictation app. Let me know if you've tried Willow Voice or voice dictation in general, and I hope to see you all in my next video.